dear students. How is everything? I'm sure everything is good, right? So, now this is your English literature class. And today we are going to learn a story. The name of the story is There is a Crocodile in Our Pickle Jar. Okay? So, take out your book and open page number 44. Okay, let's read the story. There is a crocodile in our pickle jar. Do you know what is pickle? Pickle is a vegetable that has made preserved in vinegar or salt water. It can be vegetable or it can be mango, fruit. There are many fruit that can be transformed into pickle, and there are many vegetables that can also be transformed into pickle. So pickles mean basically a vegetable or fruit that has been preserved in vinegar or salt water. Okay, so let's start. It is dinner time. So now it is night and it is dinner time. Shuhani sees rice and vegetables served on her plate. So, and it's a dinner time, it's time to eat. Suhani goes to the dinner table, and she sees that there is rice and vegetables on the table, served on her plate. Shuhani does not like vegetables, so she tells her mother that she is not hungry. As she does not like vegetables, so she doesn't want to eat them. Then she tells her mom that, Mom, I am not hungry today. Her mother brings out a chocolate cake. Then her mother brings out a chocolate cake. When Shuhani sees the big cake, she jumps with joy. Yay, there is a chocolate cake. Please give me some cake. Shuhani says that, please give me some cake. But she doesn't want to eat vegetables. That's why she said that I am not hungry. But now when she sees the chocolate cake, yummy chocolate cake, she jumps with joy and says her mother, please give me some cake. Now let's see what her mother tells her. Her mother says, first you eat your food, then you can have the cake. Obviously your mother also says you that that at first you have to eat your food, then you can have cake or you can have the sweet dish or ice cream, just like that. So her mother also says that first you eat your food, then you can have the cake. At first you have to eat your food, that is rice and vegetables. Shuhani begs her mother, requests her mother to give her small slice of cake. So, please mom, please give me small slice. But her mother refuses. Her mother denied. No, I will not give you the cake. Shuhani gets angry. And goes to her room. Shuhani gets angry because her mother refuses to give her the cake. Her mother tells that at first you have your food, then I will give you the cake. So Shuhani becomes angry and goes to her room. After some time, she starts feeling hungry. Obviously, if you don't eat all night, you will feel hungry. Same happens to Shuhani. Shuhani feeling hungry after some time. She feels her room is spinning. Yeah, the room is spinning. Spinning means going round and round quickly. She seems that her room is spinning. As she was starving, she became very weak. So she thought that her room is spinning. She goes to the kitchen. Then she goes to the kitchen. She opens the refrigerator door. There is a pickle jar lying on the first shelf. On the fridge, there is a pickle jar, and there are shelves. Many shelves are there in the fridge, and on the first shelf there is a pickle jar lying on that. Okay. She looks at the jar closely. She looks at it closely and screams, yeah, just like that. What did she say? He said that, help, there is a crocodile in our fridge. He says that there is a crocodile in our fridge. You can see in your book there is a picture, and there is a jar, pickle jar, but there is only the picture of a crocodile. But she says that there is a crocodile in our fridge. Mother and father come running to the kitchen. Father picks the jar from the fridge, and he opens it and takes out a long green pickle. He takes out a long green pickle and he shows it to Suhani that this is only a pickle. This is not a crocodile, and this is all the picture, right? Mother says, you did not eat dinner. An empty stomach makes the body weak. You already know that food gives us energy. So if you don't eat, you will not get energy. So an empty stomach makes the body weak, and when you feel that way, your eyes can play trick. Your eyes are playing some tricks on you, okay? So Suhani says, I am sorry. I promise to eat properly from today. So I told you, you have to eat everything that is served on your plate. So Suhani promised that. Suhani says that I am sorry. I promise to eat properly from today. May I have some dinner? Father says, sure. You may also have that yummy cake you missed. At last, Suhani agrees to eat her food, and father also says that you can also have that yummy cake that she missed that time. Okay, so this is the story. Please go through the story, okay, and I will ask you some inside questions and answers in our next live class. Till then, keep reading, keep studying. Take care and tata bye bye.